The table below shows the average rate of change on a function over different intervals. So on interval between 0 and 2, the average rate of change is 4. Between 2 and 7, the average rate of change is -1. Between 7 and 10, the average rate of change is 3. Which interval shows the least total change? Well, let's find the total change in each. This has an interval that is 2 units long. How do I know that? Because 2 minus 0 is 2 units. If the average rate of change over those 2 units is 4 per unit, then you would do 4 times 2, which gives you 8. Now the next option, between 7 and 2, is a change of 5 units. The average rate of change per unit is -1, so -1 times 5 is -5. That's my answer for you. Last but not least, this interval is 10 minus 7, which is 3 units long. 3 times 3 is 9. So the total change on this interval is 8. The total change on that interval is -5, and the total change on that interval is 9. We want the one with the least total change, and that, of course, is going to be the negative guy, which is everything between 2 and 7.